Check it out. I love waterfalls, mate. I absolutely love water, man. Weather's beautiful today. It's really sunny, but it's not too unbelievably hot. Entrance. We're at level 4 now. There's 10 levels. This is like flash floods and all that. Don't think there's too much of a need to go down. Fuck it. Alright people, it definitely was worth coming down here. This is gorgeous. Yes people, looks like level 5 is the one. This is my sort of level. Oh man, we've got to add to that, haven't we? Whoa! Right. That's it, I put that on. That's it. Bit ballsy going down there. Whoa! Check it out, man! Check it out! Splashing all on me. That's beautiful. 7 we're at now. I just tried going down there, sort of the safe way, but I realised it's too slippy and I'd have to get rescued to come back up, so just carry on to level 8, 9 and 10. Oh baby, shit, there's another one. Yes the boys, how's it going? Yes lads, just met the boys here.